not worth
it's worse going.
it. I'm gonna
See this, guys?
come in with an
That's
executive
true. That's
decision
Griffin and Busch
that going
Gardens.
up
That
this
thing's
hill is not
horrifying.
worth it.
Trust me, you would like the Griffin Busch Gardens. You would love it.
That's what I'm saying. It's.
You want to go about the Griffin, Kelly?
That's over a 20-degree pitch.
Before you go down the hill, it stops
Thank
you.
you for letting me know all
Immediately after the
that.
hill, there's a
and
loop. You think
stuff.
you do loops, Kelly? Nope. Why?
Probably now that I'm older. But
I just love this video's going on Facebook and people are going to hear your conversations.
I don't know.
Complete strangers.
You have a problem with my conversation, I hit me.
I love it. I want to hear more about that stupid annoying girl that you never picked up on the fact that she was flirting the whole day.
Yep,
No,
she likes you.
wasn't. She hated me. And I hated
And
her.
that's not what's happening, babe.
No, literally, me and everyone else literally had to tell her that we hated her.
You got a lot to learn about women, Thorn. And don't feel
It's
bad.
okay though,
so,
Thorn, because yeah.
There's a lot of things that you need to learn about people who would be willing to spend $24 and they had a tattoo at a theme park.
wasn't her money. She didn't work for it.
So,
You guys have the same problem. You don't understand what it takes to earn X amount of money versus spending it on,
I don't know.
What is that?
that is a battery box.
It's just high voltage.
there's Jim's cabin. That is that. Ooh, that's
Don't
still in good
stop
condition.
right there.
I'm at 4 low. I don't have.
Stop right there. Just move to where it's like flat. Don't stop at the top of that
It's not
hill.
gonna flip. It's gonna. If it's gonna flip, it's gonna be going
No,
down
I
the
just
hill.
worry about it sliding backwards. That's
It's-
what I worry about.
There's Jim's cabin. He passed away a couple years ago.
Oh, it's got solar panels.
Yeah, that's
Yeah,
probably the battery box.
Mm.
That makes sense.
It also sucks to see that his little shed for all his wood still fully stocked.
Yeah, he died kind of unexpectedly.
He had a heart attack, I think.
A lot of these are new too.
Really?
The safe frame coming up didn't used to be here.
I remember us helping build this one.
Huh? No, not this one.
There's the one I put on the payment plan. That's our honeymoon check, baby.
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Put the camera in here.
Oh.
We're
Oh,
going to 4
wow.
low,
That's so pretty.
isn't it? The Owens cabin.
I don't know. Do they still come? I would assume so.
Somebody comes up, it's maintained.
Yeah, it's maintained. Someone comes up here.
Of course, I got the hay killer out in the way. Didn't I know my mama I want to see this? What's that?
That Coke?
Probably.
The missing Coke can?
I should be ready. I should be below. I'll fix it up here. When you put it, so I'm in the 4th gear. That's almost interstate speed, right? On the interstate. But it's got a transfer box up front to put a reduction gear. And that's where, that's it. Please stop.
Are you able to get out?
Nope. It's private property, son.
So why did they never finish this? Fair enough.
Yeah, that was supposed to be a place to park 4-wheelers.
There's
But it's a great little cabin. I'd love to
Yeah.
tip it, but they got to where they had to have the money. And Chad bought it.
Shorty. Well, Shorty.
And that was Chad's cabin here. He wanted, so people wouldn't build too close to his cabin.
Yeah.
So he gets this thing done, like nice done, sold it.
Really?
Yeah, a couple of women down in Florida who are now trying to sell it because it's too remote.
Mm.
I think also because there's a rattlesnake den somewhere around here, and there's always a.
Rattlesnakes don't really have dens. You're thinking of beavers.
No, I heard something about them always.
That's Papaw talking.
Or
Papa's
solar
always
panels.
Huh?
drinking.
Yeah.
something.
Oh, he's got a solar powered shower here and everything.
Wow.
And
Well, because
inside,
there's no power up here.
right. But I mean, inside, beautiful.
It's got an antenna.
And him and Shorty did all the work. Yeah. Flat screen TVs don't hardly use any power like old cathode tubes, so
Really?
yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that. Okay.
Yeah, that flat screen TV I have, surfacing all the time. You'll never notice it on your power bill. Xbox will suck a lot of power though. But not that much. Not like the big twin
Yeah.
I had. It's nice up here though. 60 degrees.
There's actually a house number on the house.
Yeah. I doubt the mailman comes by very often though. That's kind of an eyesore. There's a lot of money getting that done. Been nice to see somebody finish it.
Yep,
There's the fire pit.
I remember that.
Right about here's where I damn near broke my back.
What were you doing?
I had that red truck and me and Bill and Dennis came up here and brought a wrought iron stove.
I remember being here and your mama saying, "Oh, there's an outhouse out there." Oh, yeah, no,
Well,
I can't do that.
Law's not here, baby. If you want to go get the